Hey guys, it's CraftCat, so welcome back to another video. I want to show you how to make thumbnails on Procreate. Since I use Procreate a lot, I've learned how to make thumbnails on it too, so let me show you how I did it. So first you're going to start off by taking an image that you want. I edited this and changed the brightness to kind of match the theme with the thumbnail type I'm going with, and I resized it to make it fit on the canvas. The canvas size that I used was 1920 by 1080 pixels. So once you've done that, you're going to hit that S button, which is the cropping button, and you're just going to go around the shape of your item, and in that case, this is my bullet journal video. I will leave the link to that video and the playlist down below if you guys do want to check that out. Once you've done that, you could just click copy and paste, and it should be on another layer of that, just separate other than the background, and I'm going to do that to the next bullet journal as well. So I'm actually going to blur out the other bullet journal, because then people will want to see what I wrote in the bullet journal, and you can blur out however much you want. And I want the bullet journal that says 2019 to 2020 to pop out, so I'm going to go to Luminance, which is free on Procreate, and I'm just going to outline that. I ended up outlining it on the other one, but I didn't like the way that looked because the color of the pages were white and you couldn't really tell the difference. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add text, and you can write whatever you want, and you can change the color of your text and all of that, and also the font. Also guys, I wanted to make specific days for uploading, and I think I'm going to do that every Friday, 4:30 Eastern timing, and I will also be uploading sometimes on Tuesdays, the same timing, but probably not every single week Tuesday, but maybe you might see some videos on those. So make sure to be around on Friday, 4:30 Eastern timing to watch my videos every time I post them. Once you're done with that, you can share it. You can keep it as a PNG or a JPEG or whatever you want, and you can use it for anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully this did help. If it did, make sure to comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!